How to convert friend requests to followers on Facebook. First, open the Facebook application on your device. Now, on your Facebook, you can only add 5,000 friends. If you cross this limit, it will say unable to add more friends. So, in this case, you can change your friend requests to followers. So, for that, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and then go to your profile. So over here, I'm just going to show you how my profile looks to other. So here I've opened up view as, and here you can see the follow button. So if this is not available for your profile, then you first have to change your account into a professional account. So for that, you want to turn on the professional mode. So here under profile settings, you will find the option of turn professional mode on. So you want to turn that option on. As you can see, mine is already on, therefore it does not say on, but it says off. So you just want to turn on the professional mode on. Without that, you won't be able to follow the rest of the process. So now, after you have turned on the professional mode, you want to head over back to menu, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Now you want to tap on how people can find and contact you. So over here, tap on who can send you friend requests. Make sure that it is set to everyone. So not just friends of friends, you want to make sure that it's set to everyone. Then you want to go back and you can change the rest of the options to public as well if you want. Then you want to head back and tap on followers and public content. In here, you want to set everything to public. Make sure that you set who can follow me option public as well, because that's the way how everyone will be able to follow you and your friend request can be changed to followers. So in this way, once you have set it all to public, you will be able to add more followers. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.